Hi guys, sorry I can't be with you today, but here's some good information. First of all, please put away your phones, dagnabbit. All right, by now you should have the warm up, and I'm going to do some of it with you, but then I want you to finish it on your own. So please watch the entire video so you know what to do for today. The first graph, y equals negative log base 3 of x minus 3. When I try and graph this, I have to find the parent function. So the parent function is y equals log base 3 of x. And for me, it's pretty difficult to find x, y values that fit into this form, so I'm going to rewrite it into exponential form. That would be 3 to the power of y equals x. And now when I plug in values, I'm plugging them in for y and solving for x. For example, when y is negative 2, x is 1/9. When y is negative 1, it's 1/3, and so on. Now let's take a look at the original function again. That minus on the outside actually flips it over x squared. Sorry, it flips it over y, the x-axis. Think of y equals x squared and y equals negative x squared. The negative sign will flip it over the x-axis. That minus 3 moves it to the right 3. So what am I going to do with the table values? The first thing I'm going to do is add 3 to every single x value and then multiply every single y value by negative 1. I'll let you finish this one on your own. The answer should be on the board and posted on Google Classroom. The next one is y equals 2 log base 2 of x plus 4. Notice that the plus 4 is on the outside. It's not inside the parentheses. It makes a big difference. So again, find the parent function, which would be y equals log base 2 of x. This one here I'm going to rewrite to exponential form, 2 to the power of y equals x. Again, make a table of values, and then go back to the original function. The 2 in front will stretch the function. Think of y equals x squared and y equals 2x squared. The 2 will stretch the function, stretch it vertically. It affects the y values. That plus 4 moves it up 4. So guess what? I don't have to do anything to the x values. They stay the same. The y values, two things are happening. I'm going to first multiply by 2 and then I'm adding 4. Okay, you should be able to finish this. Once you're finished with this, you should be working on your logs quiz. You should get it back, work with group members to make corrections. Make corrections either on the back or on a separate sheet of paper, and make sure you understand what you did wrong. Staple it and turn it back in for extra credit. Okay, and this is what group work looks like. When you're finished with this, then I want you to pick up the packet and make sure you understand it for the final. And I will see you next week.